Alrighty then, here we go. P from Morgan Box Breaks, baby. 2015 NFL 8-box mixer. Hopefully we have a good break with the football tonight because baseball was horrific. So here we go. Good luck, guys. Hopefully I can pull all of you something very nice tonight. Thank you guys for joining as always. The Raz was phenomenal tonight. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Save Immaculate for last. Alright. I agree. Alright, we're going to start with Inception Football. Inception Football, guys. Here we go. We are starting 1 minute early, so if you come in late, oh well. I have not breaking open Inception Football in forever. Alrighty, here we go. We have Marshawn Lynch. Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. Number 150, Julio Jones for the Falcons. Number 125, Brandon Cooks for the Saints. We got number 150, Alex Smith for the Chiefs. And here we go. We have a number 140 Jumbo Relic, Chris Conley for the Chiefs. Nice hit coming up. Number 75 for the Washington Redskins, Jamison Crowder. Jamison Crowder, 3-color patch autograph. And number 150 going to Jams, Jay Ajayi, autograph for the Dolphins. So Inception was horrible. Except it was a nice patch. Sean'll 2015, buddy. 2015. Alright, Topps Platinum up next. I've never opened this product ever this year. So good luck. Alright, we got T.Y. Hilton. T.Y. Hilton, gold parallel for the Colts. We got a Melvin Gordon die cut for the Chargers. Ryan Tannehill, gold parallel for the Dolphins. Sean will have no idea, dude. Marcel Darius, gold parallel for the Bills. Alright, we got an X-Factor, Leonard Williams for the New York Jets. And Justin Forsett, gold parallel for the Ravens. Well, we might have to get some, Sean, huh? Alright, our first hit is going to be a Josh Robinson autograph for the Colts. Matt Forte, gold parallel for the Bears. Oh, nice patch auto. Nice. Going to the Green Bay Packers. Ty Montgomery, 2-color patch auto. Nice hit for the Packers. And we got Calvin Johnson, gold parallel for the Lions. All right, Todd Gurley, X-Factor for the Rams. X-Factor, Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. We got Robert Quinn, gold parallel for the Rams. Gold parallel, Peyton Manning for the Broncos. What are you doing back? Gold parallel, Mark Ingram for the Saints. C.J. Mosley, gold parallel for the Ravens. We got a blue parallel, David Johnson for the Cardinals. Sure if that's numbered or not. I don't see any numbering on it. David Johnson, blue parallel. And Tom Brady for the Patriots, gold parallel. Jeremy Langford, X-Fractor for the Bears. Randall Cobb, gold parallel for the Packers. Thank God I never opened a case of this garbage. Jameis Winston, X-Fractor for the Buccaneers. Greg Hardy for the Panthers, gold parallel. Last time I checked, Greg Hardy is on the Cowboys. And our next hit is going to be Deontay Greenberry, autograph for the Cowboys, which is Jams again. Darrelle Revis, gold parallel for the Jets. Sammy Watkins, gold parallel for the Bills. Jammy jam, 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 jam. All right, we have RG3. Why he has a card, I don't know. He should never have another card made, ever. He sucks. And we got Jordan Cameron, gold parallel for the Dolphins. Gold parallel, J.J. Watt for the Texans. How many gold parallels? We got another Melvin Gordon die cut for the Chargers. And Martellus Bennett. I'm so faded. What the hell does that mean? All right, Jordy Nelson, gold parallel for the Packers. So that was platinum. Whip-de-doo. All right, Prism Jumbos, guys. Prism Jumbos. Here we go. Good luck. We do got National Treasures football or baseball tomorrow night on eBay if you guys have not seen it. Alrighty, we got a Jerry Rice die cut, class of 2010. And then number 175, James strikes again. Tony Lippett, refractor autograph for the Dolphins. Yep. And we got a purple prism, number to 50, Mike Davis for the 49ers. We got Colin Kaepernick, number to 150 for the 49ers as well. Jan's a Dolphins fan. Don't even know if Tony Lippett is even any good. All right, Matt Stafford, die cut, air marshals for the Lions. Danny Shelton, blue prism for the Browns. For some reason, that one was not numbered. All right, we got Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Another Aaron Rodgers, air marshals for the Packers. Garrett Grayson, purple prism for the Saints. Well, the third Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Jesus. We got Marquise Colston, blue prism for the Saints. How many autos are in prism? 4 autographs. Make the pack so hard to freaking open. All right, number to 99. Guess what, guys? It's going to Jams. Red Prism. Antoine Goodley, his second auto of the night. Antoine Goodley for the Cowboys. And we got DeAnthony Thomas, Red Prism for the Chiefs. All right, Melvin Gordon for the Chargers. We got Tevin Coleman, die cut for the Falcons. David Cobb, green prism for the Titans. Steeler Denny, you're having one bad night, brother. Jan's got more haters. Oh, man. Jan's got the most haters in the world. Jans, people are going to be knocking at your door soon. You better watch out. All right, next up we have a purple prism auto. Marcus Murphy for the Saints. And Tony Lippett, red prism for the Dolphins. All right, Sammy Watkins for the Bills, green prism. What a shitty box. Number to 299, Eddie the Fat Man Goldman for the Chicago Bears, red prism. Good God, tonight has been horrific. We got Colin Kaepernick, U.S. Marshals for the 49ers. I mean, this is horrific, guys. Tonight has been bad. All right, Terry Bradshaw, purple prism for the Steelers. T.Y. Hilton, red prism for the Colts. What the hell is numbered in this product? Nothing. And next up, we got Mario Alford, refractor prism for the Bengals. So prism was terrible. Inception was mediocre. And, well, I don't even know what the other one was. Platinum was horrific. All right, let's try Finest. It says it's fine, so let's see. All right, good luck, guys. All right, we got Marshawn Lynch, refractor for the Seahawks. Number to 60, the worst, well, second worst quarterback besides RG3, Johnny Manziel for the Browns. And Jeremy Langford, die cut for the Bears. And another guy we've already hit. Going to the Redskins, Jamison Crowder, autograph relic. Just the horribleness just continues. I don't even know why you guys are still watching. Cameron Artis Payne, refractor for the Panthers. Redskins, Steve, you did kill it in the Raz. You got some good teams. They're just not hitting. Matt Jones, X-Fractor, Redskins. Blue refractor, number to 250, Alex Smith for the Chiefs. And Amir Abdullah for the Lions, die cut. Oh, I got a freaking hang now. It's killing me. All right, next up, Alshon Jeffries, Topps Finest insert for the Bears. Ah, the wrong freaking player. Oh, it's a nice hit, though. Number to 35 for the St. Louis Rams, Sean Mannion 3-color patch X-Fractor auto. Nice hit for the Rams. Nice. Told you the Rams are going to hit big tonight. Very nice hit for the Rams right there. We'll take it. And we got for the Saints, number to 50, Drew Brees, gold refractor. Number to 150, sorry. And Garrett Grayson, die cut for the Saints. Oops. We got Ben Roethlisberger, refractor for the Steelers. Yeah, highlight of the night is Sean freaking Mannion. Jason Witten, X-Fractor for the Cowboys. It's been a rough night, guys. Number to 250, Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. And Nelson Aguilar, refractor, or die cut for the Eagles. All right, triple threads. Hopefully one of these boxes pulls a monster. I mean, hopefully. This is just... I don't know. I was excited for tonight. And the excitement has dropped big time. Alrighty, number to 232, we got Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Number to 199, Frank Gore for the Colts. Eli Manning for the Giants. We got Golden Tate for the Lions. Ronnie Lott for the 49ers. And here we are. We have number to 50, Leonard Williams for the New York Jets. Relic. And number to 99, Jay Ajayi, triple relic auto for the Dolphins. Well, that was terrible. Redskin Steve, that's funny, dude. All right, number to 232, Matt Stafford for the Lions. Number to 199, Ronnie Lott for the 49ers. We got Curtis Martin for the Jets. Kurt Warner for the Rams. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. Number 36, going to the Bears. Alshon Jeffries patch. Chicago Bears. And number to 99, Bryce Petty, autograph relic. Oh, it just continues. Well, triple threads, guys. Guess what? Was terrible. Let's see what playbook gets us. Horrific night. It continues. Oh, this is going to be terrible, too. Number to 99, LaShawn McCoy and Sammy Watkins, little fake book thing. Number to 199, Stephon Anthony for the Saints. Terrible autograph. And what is this going to be? Oh, 1 out of 5. This is sick. This is sick, guys. We got a laundry tag autograph, or not an autograph, laundry tag patch book. Buck Allen for the Ravens. That is sick. Finally, a big hit tonight. That is a beautiful card right there. Buck Javorius Allen. Baltimore Ravens. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. We will take that for sure. I seen the name. I wasn't a big fan of Buck Allen, but hey, we'll take it. That was sick. All right, Contenders football. Nope. Dan H., I believe, has the Ravens tonight. He won them in the Raz. So nice little hit for the Ravens. All right, here we go. Contenders either going to be terrible or great. Tevin Coleman and Duke Johnson. I believe we got 2 boxes left, guys. We got Tom Brady for the Patriots. Fine, go stand up.
Huh? No.
All right, our next hit is the good old Lorenzo Dawes for the Broncos. I know none of you have heard of him. He will not be in the Super Bowl. And we got going to the Tennessee Titans, Trey McBride autograph. Whip-de-doo. Aaron Rodgers flag for the Packers. Yeah, that's terrible. We got Matt Stafford for the Lions. Pat says the flags are just terrible inserts. All right, number to 99, Andrew Luck for the Colts. It's got some monsters in it, though. Yeah. Cards so well. You pull a big one. A lot of, like, variations and stuff. Alrighty, going to the New York Jets, Leonard Williams autograph. Whip-de-doo. Whip-de-doo. Alright, decent hit coming up. We got Chris Conley for the Chiefs. Subpar rookie at best. Gronkowski and Tom Brady. There he is, the one and only. He's in every box. Kenny Bell for the Buccaneers. We got Brett Favre for the Packers. Should have one or two more autos coming up. Jameis Winston for the Buccaneers. It's just been a rough night, guys. I know. Never even heard of this guy. No idea. Never pulled this card ever. Jake Waters for the Seahawks. Who the hell is that? I mean, I've done 6 cases of this product, and I've never seen that card. We got Demaryius Thomas for the Broncos. TJ Yeldon, who I cannot believe we have not pulled an auto yet of. Redemption time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Redemptions are big, guys. Here we go. Good luck. Look at this. We can finally see the redemption perfectly. Come on, big. Be a cracked ice. Be a cracked ice. Rookie ticket. Jesus. Amari Cooper, baby. There it is. There he is. Nice hit right there for the Raiders. Amari Cooper redemption autograph. Nice hit. Nice hit right there, baby. Oakland. Is that going to Redskins, Steve, or what? You told me, Steeler Denny. That's a big hit. All right, that's contenders. I think the only box we got left is immaculate, guys. There you go, Redskins, Steve. Nice hit, bud. All right, here we go. Immaculate football. Phenomenal product. It's feeling kind of light, though. Hopefully there's no Panini points. Please don't be any Panini points. We got a 1 out of 1 right on the top. 1 out of 1 right on the top, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to be a 1 out of 1 parallel. Matt Stafford for the Lions. Detroit Lions, 1 out of 1. Nice. We'll take it. All right, number 49, going to the Chargers. Melvin Gordon and LaDainian Tomlinson. Dual relic. Number 99, Earl Thomas. Autograph for the Seahawks. Nice patch coming up. Number 99, patch auto. Kendall Wright for the Titans. Wow, sick hit coming up. We got a couple sick hits coming up. Number to 7, Duke Johnson for the Cleveland Browns. Letter autograph. Nice hit for the Browns right there. And number to 50, how did you know? You knew we were going to pull him tonight with Jason S. in the break. TJ Yeldon, 4-color patch. Sick hit. There we go. We ended at least pretty good. Immaculate. Not bad. All right, guys. That is it. I know. Rough break tonight for most. Thank you guys for joining tonight, though. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for filling the Raz. Phenomenal job, guys. That was phenomenal. Appreciate it, though. We will be back eBay National Treasures break tomorrow night, guys. That is it, Sean. We are out for the night. It's time for me to go get drunk and go to sleep. All right, everyone have a great night. Peace